Richa Agarwal, there on the right.
Namaskar, Your Holiness. I feel deeply humbled to be in your presence here today, and I would like to ask you your advice on how we should bring up our next generation to be responsibly good people.
I always say, telling people with my conviction. Now, 20th century gone. That I usually make sort of distinction. Generation of 20th century and generation of 21st century. Now, generation of 20th century, like myself, and some of older gentlemen, suppose more experience. But our century already gone. So sooner or later, time come, we say goodbye from the earth. Now the generation of 21st century, this 21st century, just a beginning. So if generation of 21st century, you see, make effort with vision, long-sighted and holistic, I think this 21st century can be more happier century. The 20th century, too much violence, war. According to some historians say, about 200 millions of people killed through war, through violence, and nuclear weapon. I really feel pity those great sort of scientists. You see, they are marvelous sort of we may call analytical meditation. They really sort of analyze things, and then that best sort of human brain used for destruction. So that's 20th century. So now many concerned people's way of thinking still carry the old centuries way of thinking. One example is whenever they find some obstacle, they only sort of think how to solve that by force. That 20th century's way of thinking. Now we are 21st century. We are in 21st century. Some problem among humanity always remain. Last, I think, 3,000-4,000 years, some problem among human beings always there. The next, just a few centuries, problem remain there. So now we must utilize human way of approach, not weapon. Look, we already witnessed. Now, for example, the President Bush Jr., I love him, wonderful person. When we met, you see, we immediately developed the human level close feeling. So when we sat on chair, and then some tea and some cookie come, then I express, oh, which cookie is better? He immediately said, oh, that one very good. He already tested this one very good. So that shows human, not like you see, president, or some things that happen, they remain, or what's the kasurta, a formal way. Some president, more formal way. As a matter of fact, I think, frankly speaking, President Clinton, in my first meeting, quite distance. The second meeting, little closer. Third meeting, further closer. Then later I told him, our friendship not develop at once, remain distance. Then second meeting, third meeting, closer. President Bush, not like that. Very good. Then later, the Iraq crisis, happened. Then, one occasion we met. I told him, I respect you, I love you, but your policy is concerned, some of your policy is concerned, I have great reservation. So look like that. I think President Bush's motivation and goal is good, bring democracy in Iraq. But his method wrong, use force. So that, I think, one of the, contribution. Now, a lot of problem. So-called, there are some bad relation with many Muslim community. If he, you see, not using force, and if possible, you see, spend more money for education in the Muslim world and bring more scholarship, more Muslim students. I think today situation, I think certainly may be different. So that's one example. Good motivation with short-sightedness and old thinking, use force, wrong, totally wrong. Therefore, now time come, we have to think. And this also now India sort of, the century-old tradition of ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi carried struggle according to the non-violent ahimsa principle. So therefore, now this century, I think the problem will remain. So long we human beings remain, some problem always remain. But the way to face this problem, the way to solve this problem, we should develop new way to approach. That's a human way. That's a dialogue, talk, and without losing compassion, respect them as human brothers, sisters. Never sort of carry action with anger. Like that. So, this century, 21st century, can be a peaceful century. Peaceful does not mean no longer any problem, but only the way to handle this problem, peaceful way, non-violent way, ahimsa. Actually, ahimsa, any action out of anger, not be ahimsa. Ahimsa only out of compassion, karuna. The action level, ahimsa, motivation level, karuna. That is genuine ahimsa. So, I often you see expressing, now eventually we should imagine world without armament, demilitarized world. I think, of course, my lifetime will not achieve, but generation of 21st century, I think, should keep in your mind, eventually this world should be demilitarized world. Any problem through dialogue, through talk. And then further, I always admire the spirit of European Union. Their common interest, common entity, that's Europe. So they consider Europe is more important than different nations, German or French or Italy, so on. If European Union develop, then I think last few decades, I think some violence among these member states. Because of European Union, it's a member state, last few decades, no violence among themselves. So I always expressing, now like European Union, African Union, at the beginning, not entire Africa, but Northern Africa, Southern Africa, so on, some kind of union developed. Then Latin America. Then eventually union in Asia. I think your ear maybe is too unrealistic. I feel union, India, China, Japan, and then small countries in this area, some kind of union. I really feel that. Then political boundary, not important. Demarcation, political boundary is troublemaker. And look, Africa, same community, or like the Kurdish people, same community. What is it then? Political demarcation, something different. Oh, very sad. One time, Mr. Brown or something, the governor of California, what called? Oh, he once told me, from space, if you look, no national boundaries, just one continent or continent like that. It is true. Much problem which we are facing, including killing, is due to secondary level of differences. Different religion, different political map, or different nationality. So, I think these eventually, you see, create some kind of distance, or that nation, my nation, and plus weapon. I think most of these human problems are our own creation. Therefore, once we achieve demilitarized world, I think a lot of problems will reduce, and then they ultimately, you see, one world, one human world. The different sort of political, or say, demarcation. Like that. So I think in essence, the present world situation will not bring happy, peaceful 21st century. We must think how to change that. Now this is right time at the beginning. So the generation of 21st century, you may see little peaceful world, better world you can see. My generation will not see. Sometimes I jokingly is expressing, according to theistic religion, believe God, and then you will reach heaven. Not believe God and go to hell. So we Buddhists and Jains are non-believer. We have no concept of God. Buddha stated very clearly, self-creation. So we are quite sinful. So according to that sort of theory, my next destination is hell. Archbishop Bishop Tutu, a wonderful sort of spiritual sort of master, wonderful. We always teasing each other. He always described me the mischievous Dalai Lama. And I respond him, mischievous bishop. So we always joking, teasing each other. One occasion he mentioned, he as a good Christian practitioner, he ready go to heaven. Dalai Lama go something different place. That is strictly speaking hell. so that I usually is telling people, even I may in the hell, I may get some permission, vacation, come to world to see. Then world, the 21st century generation, through your motivation or long-sighted vision, create better world, peaceful world. Then when I return to hell, I will report, now hell can reduce. So people in this planet now becoming wonderful, peaceful, harmony. Other hand, you see the world still carry same way, killing, bully each other like that. Then I have to report, hell not only preserve but should expand because more people are ready to come to hell. Like that. So therefore, now the generation of the 21st century, I think you should make effort with the vision and holistic view, and mainly sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. Different nation, different religion, different country is secondary. We must go deeper level, the same human being. Emotionally, mentally, physically, all 7 billion human beings are same. Next question.
힘 뺏은 엄지